Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where we are going to show you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. So here we have made a beautiful little mini umbrella. Further, taking a sheet like this, now folding it and making a conical shape and then the cylindrical one, getting it the patterns in this form, just paste it and attach it like this, and here's to the result. Just cover it and your Christmas tree is absolutely ready. Proceeding in this manner, what you can do, just get the sheets pinned in this form and then you need to just attach the antennas further on the top of it and your cute little butterflies are ready. Keep on proceeding in this manner. Now what you need to do, you need to make the curvy lines and get the watermelons attached in this form, and yes, this is already the windmill. Proceeding further in this manner, what are we gonna do? Get the sheets folded like this from top and bottom, and now you need to do the same thing from other sides and your jet spice is ready. Keep on proceeding. Again you need to get the sheets. Now get the cutouts in this form. You need to paste it one over the other and this is ready. Keep on proceeding, taking white sheet of paper. What you need to do, just get it attached further in this form. Get a shape like this and with the help of black marker you need to make it look like this cute bunny. Proceeding in this manner, what are we gonna do next? Here also get the sheet attached and folded like this. You need to get the folds and creases further in this form, and here's to the one. Pretty cool. Keep on proceeding. Now what are we gonna do next? Here you need to just arrange it in this form. Get the sheets attached further like this, and what we need to do, you need to just roll the sheets like this and get a beautiful flower in this form. You can make a bouquet out of it and you can gift it to someone. Proceeding in this form, what are we gonna do next? Here also you need to just arrange the sheets like this and now get it attached in this form further, and what are we gonna do? Let's see. And now you need to just do it in this form. Proceeding in this manner, just get the sheets folded and now you need to just make it look like this. Further, what are we gonna do? Just get it arranged in this form, flip flap position and get the heart shape pattern. Further, you need to take a green sheet of paper and now get the folds as we are doing here. Cut it from the top and now just arrange it in this form. This is pretty cool. Proceeding again, get the sheets flapped in this position and further with the help of scissor you need to cut it in this form, and let's see what are we gonna do. From the middle also you need to get a cut and further get them rolled in this form with the help of thin stick, and now you need to just join them further in this way so as to get a beautiful and cool, lovely and beautiful flower. Further, what are we gonna do? Get the green sheet of paper, just cut it, and now what are we gonna do? Let's see. You just have to get the cuts like this and now you'll get a beautiful green sheet of paper, the leaves arranged in this form. Give it a little curvy shape and now with the help of stick you need to just attach it over the flowers, and this is pretty cool and ready. Thank you guys.